Grind the sample thoroughly and pass it through a 20-mesh sieve. Weigh 2 grams of the sample into a 50 ml centrifuge tube. Add 10 ml of 50% ethanol water solution. And vortex at 2500 rpm for 3 minutes. Centrifuge at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes at room temperature to get the mixture. If using a mini centrifuge, take 500 ml of the mixture from the centrifuge tube, transfer it into a 1.5 ml centrifuge tube, and centrifuge at 4000 rpm for 5 minutes. Retain the supernatant for further use. Take 100 ml of the supernatant and transfer it into a 1.5 ml centrifuge tube. Add 400 ml of the sample reconstitution solution. Vortex thoroughly. What we get is the test solution. Take 60 ml of the test solution, and add it to the S-hole of the test card. Let it stand at room temperature for 10 minutes. Click Sample Test, scan the QR code on the product box, and retrieve information such as the test item and product batch number. Insert the test card and click Start Test. The test results will automatically display on the analyzer screen, and can also be printed.